Welcome to Unit 0, Getting Started in French. In this unit, you will learn the most basic and essential French skills you need to start communicating confidently. Our communication goals are: first, to greet people, introduce yourself, and say your name. In French, we call this saluer, se présenter, s'appeler. Second, to say yes or no and to spell words and names. This is oui, non, épeler. And finally, to buy something and to communicate in class. For example, asking for help or repeating something. Acheter, communiquer en classe. By the end of this unit, you will be able to hold short, simple conversations in French, such as saying hello, introducing yourself, and asking basic questions. Let's look at the grammar goals for this unit. You will learn three very important grammar topics that will help you form complete and correct French sentences. First, the subject pronouns. These are words like I, you, he, she, we, they. They are the foundation of every French sentence. Second, you will learn the key French verbs in the present tense: to be, to have, to go, and to come. These verbs are used in almost every conversation in daily life. And third, you will learn the definite and indefinite articles, words like the and a in English. These grammar points will help you make complete sentences like I am a student, I have a book, I go to school, I come from India. Here's how we will study during this unit. Day 1, we will learn how to greet people, say your name, and understand the subject pronouns. Day 2, you will learn the verbs to be and to have, how to say yes and no correctly, and how to spell your name in French. Day 3, you will learn the verbs to go and to come, to talk about where you go and where you come from. Day 4, you will learn how to use the definite articles and indefinite articles and practice speaking in short dialogues, like buying something or asking for help in class. Each day includes listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities to help you practice all four language skills. By the end of Unit 0, you will be able to greet people and say goodbye politely, introduce yourself and ask someone's name, spell your name and basic words using the French alphabet, use yes, no, and si correctly in short answers, use basic French verbs like to be, to have, to go, and to come in the present tense, use articles such as the and a and correctly in simple sentences. In short, you will be ready to have your first conversation in French, simple, clear, and confident. Remember, this is your very first step in learning French. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on communication. Repeat aloud, listen carefully, and enjoy discovering how French sounds and how words connect together. Every word you learn in this unit will help you in real-life situations, at school, when traveling, or when meeting French speakers for the first time. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Hello and welcome to French class. You will learn the most basic communication skills in French, the words and expressions that help you start your very first conversation. By mastering these communication goals, you will be ready to begin any friendly conversation, confidently greeting others, sharing your name, and responding politely. Let's begin with greetings. In French culture, greetings are very important. The way you greet someone depends on the time of day and on how formal or informal the situation is. In English, we often use one word like hi or hello for almost everyone and every time of day, but in French, there are different greetings for morning, afternoon, evening, and nighttime. There is also a difference between greeting friends and greeting teachers or adults. When speaking to friends, people use informal greetings, which sound relaxed and friendly. When speaking to teachers, strangers, or older people, they use formal greetings, which sound polite and respectful. There are also special ways to say goodbye or good night. One of them is used only when someone is leaving to go to sleep. You cannot use that one to say hello. So remember, in French, greetings show respect, friendliness, and time awareness. Choosing the right greeting is one of the most important ways to make a good first impression. Now let's practice the pronunciation of common French greetings. I'll say each word slowly and then you repeat after me. Listen carefully to the sounds.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Salut. Salut. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Remember, you cannot say bonne nuit as a greeting. It is only used when leaving to go to bed. In French, your greeting changes depending on who you speak to and when you speak. So remember, in French, greetings show respect, friendliness, and time awareness. Choosing the right greeting is one of the most important ways to make a good first impression.